Ever wondered how some individuals manage to amass incredible wealth during an economic recession? Let's break it down. An economic recession is a period of temporary economic decline during which trade and industrial activity are reduced. It's usually identified by a fall in gross domestic product in 2 successive quarters. A myriad of factors can trigger a recession, from sudden financial crises to overinflated economies, right down to unexpected global events. The effects? Well, they can be quite severe, leading to unemployment, reduced consumer spending, and overall economic slowdown. But here's an interesting fact. Economies operate in cycles, and recessions are a part of it. Some savvy individuals and businesses understand this and position themselves to not only weather the storm, but to thrive amidst the chaos. Now that we've understood the nature of economic recessions, let's delve into how to survive them and even come out on top. Surviving an economic recession requires strategic planning and a calm mind. Let's unpack this sentence and delve into the key strategies that can help weather the storm of a financial downturn. First off, the importance of having an emergency fund cannot be overstated. This is your financial safety net, a cushion to fall back on in times of unexpected hardship. Think of it as a parachute. You may not always need it, but when you do, you'll be glad it's there. An emergency fund is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Aim to have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Next, reducing unnecessary expenses is crucial. This doesn't mean you have to give up all the joys of life, but rather, be more mindful of your spending habits. This could be as simple as brewing your own coffee instead of buying it, or as significant as downsizing your living space. Remember, every little bit counts. Diversifying your income streams is another effective strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Seek out additional sources of income. This could be a side hustle, freelance work, or even passive income from investments. The more diverse your income, the less vulnerable you are to financial setbacks. Investing in oneself is also key. Education and skill enhancement are tools that can open doors to better job opportunities and higher income potential. In the long run, these investments can pay off far more than any stock or bond. Lastly, staying informed about market trends and economic indicators is essential. Knowledge is power, and in a recession, it's your best weapon. Understand the state of the economy, the direction it's heading, and how it impacts your personal finances. This will help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the game. In conclusion, surviving a recession is not just about surviving. It's about thriving. It's about turning adversity into opportunity and uncertainty into certainty. It's about smart financial management and keeping your eyes on the prize. Remember, a recession is just a season. It will pass. But the skills, habits, and mindset you develop during this time can last a lifetime. Surviving a recession is about smart financial management and keeping your eyes on the prize. While survival is crucial, an economic recession can also present unique opportunities for profit. In the midst of economic turbulence, the stock market often becomes a buyer's market. As investors scramble to offload their shares, prices can plummet, leaving high-quality stocks at bargain prices. This can be a golden opportunity for savvy investors to swoop in and pick up these stocks at a discount. When the economy eventually recovers, these investments could yield significant returns. But remember, the stock market is not for the faint-hearted. It requires knowledge, strategy, and above all, patience. Another avenue for profit during a recession is starting a recession-proof business. These are businesses that provide goods or services that remain in demand regardless of the economic climate. Think about the essentials: food, healthcare, repair services. These industries often weather economic downturns better than others. A business in these sectors could not only survive a recession, but could thrive. Then there's real estate. During a recession, property values often decrease, and this can open doors for potential investors. Buying property at a reduced price during a downturn and then selling or renting it out when the economy recovers can be a lucrative venture. However, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Research the market, understand the risks, and ensure you have the necessary capital before diving in. Patience and timing are key when capitalizing on these opportunities. It's not about making quick decisions or taking reckless risks. It's about careful analysis, strategic planning, and waiting for the right moment to act. So while an economic recession may initially appear as a threat, it can also be a source of opportunities. It's about perspective. Do you see a recession as a crisis, or do you see it as a chance to invest, innovate, and potentially profit? Profiting from a recession isn't about exploiting others' misfortune, but rather, it's about recognizing and seizing opportunities that others may overlook.